The Toyota Corolla has always carried a reputation for being the car you can rely on, the vehicle that seems to go on forever, and the nameplate that has become one of the best-selling cars in the world. But the 2026 Corolla isn't just about reliability anymore. It's about showing how a compact car can adapt to the future without forgetting what made it iconic in the first place. Today, let's dive deep into what makes this latest generation stand out, and why it might be the best Corolla we've ever seen. At first glance, the 2026 Corolla has taken on a sharper, more dynamic look. Toyota has leaned into a sleeker aerodynamic profile, with a more aggressive front fascia, slim LED headlights, and a grille design that feels modern without being too over the top. It's no longer just a practical commuter car, it has a confident personality. The lines across the side profile give it a sporty edge, and the new alloy wheel designs complete the refreshed stance. From the back, you'll notice a cleaner rear layout, with connected taillights and a subtle spoiler that hints at performance while staying tasteful. Step inside, and the Corolla shows just how far it has come from its economy car roots. The 2026 model feels upscale, with soft-touch materials across the dash, customizable ambient lighting, and Toyota's latest infotainment system displayed on a large, crisp touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and Toyota has finally embraced over-the-air updates, meaning your software will stay fresh without ever stepping into a dealership. The instrument cluster is fully digital, offering customizable layouts for everything from navigation to efficiency stats. One of the biggest talking points is the comfort level. The seats now feature enhanced bolstering, more adjustability, and even available ventilation in higher trims. Rear passengers also get more legroom thanks to clever packaging, making the Corolla a car that works for solo commuters and small families alike. The trunk remains spacious, and with split folding rear seats, practicality hasn't been sacrificed for style. Under the hood, Toyota offers multiple options depending on your needs. The base model comes with an efficient 4-cylinder engine that balances fuel economy with enough power for everyday driving. For those wanting more green credentials, the hybrid version takes efficiency to another level, delivering outstanding mileage that makes the Corolla one of the most eco-friendly non-electric cars on the road. Speaking of electric, Toyota is also rolling out a plug-in hybrid variant for the first time in the Corolla lineup, giving drivers the ability to cover short daily commutes purely on electric power before switching to gas for longer trips. Driving dynamics have also improved. The 2026 Corolla rides on Toyota's latest TNGA platform, which translates to a lower center of gravity, sharper handling, and better overall stability. Whether you're cruising on the highway or weaving through city streets, the car feels composed, quiet, and surprisingly fun to drive. Toyota has tuned the suspension to strike that perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. Of course, safety remains a cornerstone of the Corolla experience. Toyota Safety Sense is now standard across all trims, bringing features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The 2026 model takes things further with improved pedestrian and cyclist detection, as well as driver attention monitoring to help prevent fatigue-related accidents. It's the kind of tech that not only protects you but also reassures families who want peace of mind.